Hey, I'm Ty with Daily Driven ATL, the largest Atlanta-based car club, and I just got my wheels powder coated with alloy wheel repair here in Norcross. Got them powder coated gloss black, very wet gloss black, and got the brake calipers repainted as well to a nice bright yellow. The wheels used to actually look similar to that Jaguar there with the standard stock look, but after getting them powder coated gloss black, it dramatically changed the look of the car. Super satisfied with them. I mean, the work was fast. I came in Monday. I think they were ready by the end of Tuesday. They were professional. The price was great too. So again, I really love the business that they do here. I got referred by one of my friends in the car club. His Porsche Boxster just got their wheels powder coated gloss black and their calipers done too. The results are amazing. And about 6-7 months down the line, it looks like they're still brand new. So after seeing that and hearing him and a few other car club members mention alloy wheel repair, I had to come by. I brought the Jaguar F-Type down, and I'm really happy with the results. So yeah, I definitely would recommend alloy wheel repair here in Norcross.